Hello, my name is Matt Brown. I am a solutions architect here at Endor Labs. And today we're going to be covering license and compliance within Endor Labs. We're going to cover a few things here. One, how does it look like in the UI? How can I navigate, find different license and compliance risk? How can I make a UI kind of dashboard of showing me, hey, here's all in this example today, we'll look at GPL violations or license risk. We will then look at how we do separate out the copyright information, and it's not just thrown in the license text. We can actually separate that out and output it into its own file format. In this case, we have it in a CSV. You can output it into an HTML, PDF, whatever have you. And then finally, that's what we'll actually show is what kind of the finished outcome looks like, where you can say, okay, have these findings, show me what it looks like in a CSV in this example. So if we actually look at couple projects here. In this case, I have my own namespace set up. That's just the legal team. So a lot of times folks on the legal team or the compliance team, they don't necessarily, vulnerabilities aren't their most important priority. It's the license and compliance. You can make your own team that just has those findings on it through these namespaces that we have. If we take a look at one, we can actually see there's a bunch of different license risk here. If I actually go ahead and output that and expand it, we can see the information here, the license name, all of that good stuff, right? The more important thing is, well, where is it across my projects? Give me some kind of dashboard that I can quickly find this. That's where this comes in. Now, you could, of course, just search for the license in of itself. Or after you do that, you can actually save the filter. So let's say I only care about GPL and AGPL licenses. I want to mark them as critical. I can go ahead, save that filter, and now those specific licenses come up that show license risk and which projects they're in, all of that really good stuff. How did we come to this? There's this notion of policies where if I actually go ahead and edit this, in this example, I just put every single AGPL and GPL license within here and said, hey, Endor, if you find any of these licenses, I want you to automatically mark it as critical. Give me a little summary, give an explanation, and this is all editable. So if you want to tell whoever found this what to do, if they run across it, you can go ahead and do that. You can tag it with certain tags so you can more easily find it. It's really, really flexible with what you can do here. Now, we have the copyright information as well. And just to kind of show what that looks like, this is from our API. You can see obviously the component names in here, but the license text is in here and also the copyright as well. You can see here, and it's separated out. That's the most important part. It's separated out in this format where it's copyright, see the year, and who deserves the copyright or credit. Then what you can do is in the CI, this is just our API right here. You would run this command that gets all output, go through it, and then as you can see here, again, this is in CSV format, but everything's separated, right? The package name, what the license is, what we have also in our database, the file, the license text, and then the copyrights that are separated. So again, this is in CSV. We can do it in PDF. We can do it in HTML. Those are perfectly fine, but these are just some examples of the output that you will see. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Take care now.